In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find Chrome downloads on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and let's pretend I recently downloaded a file and now I want to find it. The first thing we need to do is to launch the Files app. This app is pre-installed on any iPhone by default. It is official Apple app, and we can use this app to manage files on our device. If you cannot find this app on your home screens, you can swipe down and search for it. In that way, that's how you can easily find it. And also, if the app is not installed, you need to head over to the App Store, search for Files, and that's how we can easily find that app. If we tap on it, down below here, as you can see, it says Apple Utilities. So guys, once the app is installed, first off, we need to open it up. This app allows us to manage files on our devices, and if you don't remember where you saved your file at all, the Recent tab will help you. Just select Recents and it will show you all the recent uploaded files, and from here we can interact with these files. We can, let's say, share them with someone, or we can save them to another place. To interact with the file, long press on it, and then we can rename it, compress it, duplicate, copy, move, share, and delete. As you can see here, I got files of different file extensions, such as PNG photos, such as Word document, zip archive, and MP3, and even HTML and PDF files. And we can interact with these files in exactly the same way if we long press at a file, and that gives us a ton of different options how we can do so. However, if you still cannot find your recently downloaded files here, you need to head over to Browse. I got one more way for you how you can find any file that you have downloaded. First off, guys, I recommend you to head over to the Browse homepage. If some another folder is open, just keep tapping right here until you head over to Browse, and there are two locations you need to know about: iCloud Drive and on my iPhone. The file that you downloaded will be saved either here or here. And then you may try to open up any location. I personally prefer to save my files on my iPhone, on the iPhone's internal storage, so I can get into that location. And there are two most likely options where you can find this file. It is directly in that directory, like in my case. Here I got the PNG file I have recently downloaded. I just saved it here on my iPhone main directory. And also another popular location is Downloads. You can tap at Downloads. Here we can also find some downloads that we recently made, and the same about iCloud Drive. Here also we have Downloads folder, and we can find the recently downloaded files either here or in Downloads folder. However, guys, if it doesn't help you, we may try to search for a file by their name or by the file extension. Let's say I'm looking for an MP3 file that I've recently downloaded. I can just enter MP3 here. I can just enter MP, and it already shows me two MP3 files that I have on my iPhone's internal storage. So that's how we can also easily find a file by name or by file extension, like in my case. And once you find a file you are looking for, you can long press on it, and then let's say if you wanna send it to your friend via some messenger, you can hit at share, then select a messenger. I'm gonna use Telegram to demonstrate you. Then select your friend or saved messages and then hit send. After the file is uploaded, it will be sent to the conversation you've selected before. That's basically, guys, how you can easily find Chrome downloads on an iPhone, and if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.